The P0012 diagnostic trouble code indicates that your Toyota's engine control module has detected that the intake camshaft timing on bank 1 is more retarded or delayed than the target timing. This issue commonly arises in vehicles with over 80,000 miles, especially under urban driving conditions. The problem can worsen during winter months due to changes in oil viscosity. To understand this code, you need to know about Toyota's variable valve timing with intelligence system, or VVTI. This system uses oil pressure to adjust camshaft timing for optimal engine performance. The VVTI system works by using the oil control valve to direct pressurized engine oil to the VVTI actuator. The engine control module commands the OCV based on engine conditions, while camshaft position sensors monitor the actual timing against the commanded timing. The P0012 code is triggered when specific conditions are met. The timing deviation must exceed plus or minus 8 to 12 degrees for more than 5 seconds, with engine coolant temperature above 158 degrees Fahrenheit and RPM between 1,500 and 4,000. Recent technological advancements have improved P0012 diagnosis significantly. Enhanced OBD2 integration now provides real-time camshaft position data with millisecond precision, while predictive maintenance systems use machine learning algorithms to anticipate P0012 occurrences based on driving patterns and maintenance history. When diagnosing a P0012 code, understanding the root causes is essential for effective repair. Let's examine the most common causes and their frequency of occurrence. Contaminated engine oil accounts for 45% of P0012 cases, making it the primary culprit. Faulty oil control valves represent 25% of cases, while timing chain issues, VVTI actuator problems, and sensor wiring issues make up the remaining 30%. The diagnostic process begins with basic checks and progresses to advanced testing. Start by examining the engine oil level, condition, and viscosity grade. Use the Toyota oil specifications chart to verify you're using the correct grade. Check the oil level on the dipstick, inspect for contamination or sludge, and ensure proper viscosity for your engine. Modern diagnostics involve real-time monitoring of camshaft timing values and testing oil control valve resistance. The OCV should typically read between 6.9 and 7.5 ohms when tested with a multimeter. The repair process follows a systematic approach, starting with basic maintenance and progressing to more complex repairs if needed. Start with a complete oil and filter change using the correct Toyota specified grade. Full synthetic oils can reduce P0012 occurrences by 30% compared to conventional oils, especially in newer engines. Next, service the oil control valve. Remove and inspect it for contamination or damage. Clean thoroughly with brake cleaner or replace if mechanical damage is present. If basic repairs don't resolve the issue, advanced procedures may be necessary. This includes VVTI actuator service, timing chain inspection for stretch or wear, and comprehensive sensor testing. Remember that newer Toyota engines from 2020 onwards are significantly more sensitive to oil quality. They require stricter maintenance schedules and respond better to high-quality synthetic oils. Following this systematic diagnostic and repair approach will resolve most P0012 codes effectively. Start with the basics, oil service and OCV cleaning, before moving to more complex repairs.